Hi folks, Kyle Daniels with Telus Properties. It is May 2017 and we're going to take a look back at the month of April and what are the trends showing for real estate as we head into the busy season. Well, one thing for certain, if we look currently, listings are up. I'm not sure if you can see that. That's Manhattan, Hermosa, Redondo, and Palos Verdes Estates. We're seeing numbers up. Redondo Beach inventory is up 24%, Manhattan 10%, PV and Hermosa 4% and 2% respectively. In terms of month supply, that means with the number of people buying, the number of homes available, numbers are up all across the board, especially in Redondo. Redondo's up 40%. Take a look at that chart, see it's going up. We're almost to a point where we were at the peak of inventory last summer. It's not summer yet. Maybe the trend is that spring is actually a little bit ahead of summer traditionally, but we'll find out in terms of historically how that goes. We could be looking at more inventory heading into the summer, which is typical, which may mean the market's slowing down there in terms of number of buyers and inventory. When we look at closed sales, April was up greatly in Manhattan, PV, Manhattan up 52%, PV 90%, but down in Redondo and Hermosa 30 and 20% respectively. Pending sales though, which we're looking ahead, so those are April closes. When we look ahead what's going to close May and June, things are down. Manhattan Beach down 22%, Redondo 53%, Hermosa 40%, and PV 31%. Again, this is just a month snapshot, but the overall trend right now is that the number of sales are declining, and in terms of pending sales for the overall 3-month trend. We'll see how that again plays out as we go into the summer months. Prices. Now, what we're also seeing is a drop in the median prices compared to last year. It's slightly, but what we're seeing is leveling off, I think, in Manhattan, Hermosa, and PV Estates. Meanwhile, Redondo, you can see the median sales price has really peaked here. We're up around 1.3 million for the average townhome or home sale in South Redondo in particular. Some bright spots are Hollywood Riv, where inventory is a little bit tighter. Prices are up even more there, but I think we've kind of seen our peak in the median sales price when we look at Manhattan, PV, and Hermosa. Redondo still has a little room to run. Finally, when we look at the price per square foot, again, the trend is that things are leveling off. Redondo is up. Let's see, Manhattan peaked back in September, PV last December. And so again, will the summer prove to be an uptrend, an upcycle in a price per square foot? But what I'm seeing more is a rise from the bottom and leveling off at the higher prices. When you take a look at the number of inventory for homes over 2 million in the South Bay through PV, inventory is something like 8 months supply. When you look under 1 million, it's less than 2 months. 6 months is considered healthy. So when you're talking 2 months, that's a seller's market. If you're in the position of selling a $2 million home or more, it's more of a buyer's market right now. I think if you're a seller, it's still a great time. Interest rates are low. That means the buyers are out there buying. But if you're on the higher price range, you're going to need to be patient. If you're in the lower price range, you want to get that price just right. You'll get multiple offers and you'll have many buyers to choose from. If you're a buyer, I do see some signals that we're going to have a buying opportunity. Right now, I would say end of summer into late fall should be a great time. As long as the inventory stays up and interest rates stay low, I think it'll be a great time to buy. If those rates tick up, we're going to start to see some changes in pricing in order to adjust. Again, maybe it'll be a little bit cheaper in terms of purchase price, but the cost to own in terms of your monthly payment may actually go up. So if interest rates stay stable, look to make a good purchase here at the end of summer into the fall. That's all I got for right now. Please reach out if you have any questions. We can go into details, and be sure to look into the charts. I'll have them posted on my blog later today at KyleDanielsRealEstate.com. Thanks and have a great day.